Wow, what is this?
Oh!
What is this? It's a
Snails.
nails. Oh no, yung hair niya is not good kamo kanina, diba? Tapos may envelope kasi today is Mother's Day. Can you say, Mommy, Happy Mother's Day?
Yes.
Oh, say, Mommy. Mommy.
Mommy.
Happy Mother's
Mother's
Day.
Day.
Yes. Oh, kiss mo nga si Mommy. Thank you, my baby. Dahil Mother's Day, design mo yung yung nail ni Mommy. Can you color Mommy's nail? Yes.
Color.
What color do you want? Oh, this one, nail number 1. What color?
Wow.
Awa? Brown. Okay, you choose. You choose. Color mo yung nail ni Mommy.
Okay.
Yes, nail only, nail only. Be careful. Be careful. Another one, para mas maganda. Gusto ni Mommy is iba-iba ang color. Okay po. Number 2 na nail. What next na color?
Purple.
You get lang po.
Purple.
Ganda na ng nail ni Mommy. Very good. Next na nail ni Mommy. What color? Yeah, go. Mas maganda siya i-color. Careful.
Your nail is beautiful.
Mommy's nails is beautiful.
Your nail is
Yes. Next color?
Next, green.
It's for Mommy. Happy Mother's Day po sa lahat ng Mommy. Happy Nanay.
Happy Nanay.
Happy Nanay po sa inyo. Come on.
Happy Nanay.
Happy Mother's Day po,
Happy
mga
Day.
followers.
Happy Nanay.
Very good.
What? Blue. Blue.
Pang lalaki. I'll go.
Rainbows is good.
Yes. Yay! Maganda na ang nail ni Mommy. Next. Can you draw a flower for Mommy this Mother's Day? Draw ka nga ng flower.
Yes.
Asan yung pencil mo? Wait a minute. Flower. Draw a flower for Mommy because it's Mother's Day. Very good. Can you color it? Okay, color mo para maganda, para ibigay natin kay Mommy.
Dad. I love Mommy.
Who is your Mommy?
I love Dad. I love Mommy.
Later, you will cut Mommy's hair.
What?
Very good. Happy si Mommy. Ang ganda ng flowers ni Mommy, oh. Ang ganda. Next is the hair of mommy. Oh, it's so pangit. Yuck.
Let's cut her hair.
Yeah, you will cut her hair para gumanda si mommy. Oh, get mo to, but be careful, okay? Hindi yan pang children na ano. Bibili tayo ng pang children na. Be careful, ha? Be careful. Ikat mo si mang hair ni mommy, ha? Be careful. Hindi ganyan ang paghawak ng ano. Pag ganito, pag ganyan, ganyan. Ganyan. Go. Para safe. Paggagamit po ng scissor ay magpaalam kay mommy. Okay po?
Oh, I hate him.
Yes. Next.
Another hair.
Cut mo yung hair ni mommy para maganda siya ngayong Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Lagay mo dito para ano. Hindi, dito mo hawakan, ganyan, dito. Ganyan, tapos dito mo ikat. Ganyan, ang pagkat. Your finger. Hindi pa kita yung eyes niya. Cut mo pa to, hindi kita yung eyes niya, Cut mo pa yan. Yan. Careful. Your hand. Another. Careful, mas ibaba mo yung gunting mo, ganyan. Very good. Careful. Mapurol yung ano. Next. Mapurol yung mapurol yung gunting. Yes. Pag ganito kasi, ganyan. Diba? Mali yung pagkakahayang, ganyan. Diba? Ganda na ng mukha ni Mami. Yay! Ang ganda na ni Mami. Natakpan pa daw yung eyes niya. I said careful. Muntik na. Mas ibaba mo kasi yung gunting. Yan. Yes. Very good. Yay! You're done. Next is, ang ganda na ni Mommy, no? May bangs pa siya, Next is, video, you give a letter to Mommy. Look. For Mommy. Can you write Mommy a letter? Can you say, I love you, Mommy. Go. Write mo dito, I love you.
Happy.
You write I. Very good. Then heart. I love
Mommy.
Bakit ganyan? Dito na lang. Here. I love heart. I will yung heart. Hold mo yung paper. I love. Diba? Then here you. As in you. You, right? Hold mo yung papel. Hold mo yung paper. Hold mo. Hold mo kasi dito. Hold mo dito para hindi gumagalaw. O, yan. Then, write U. U.
You.
Letter U. I love you.
I love you.
O, write the letter U. Ganyan, no, yung letter U. I will teach you. Ganyan, no. Oh, where's my pencil? Wala tayong pencil. Ganyan yung U, oh. U. Oh. Here. Write a letter U. Like that. Ako na lang. Ganyan. Yay! Oh, ilagay mo na sa ano ni Mami. Ilagay mo na sa... Oh, that's for you, Mommy. I love you. Yes. Then close the ano. Yay! Thank you, my baby. Oh, kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy. Say I love you.
Love you.
Mm.
You hate.
Yes. Say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.